Hi everyone, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be creating a hammered freeform ring.
This is our starting material. So we've rolled out some metal and created this plate and our sizing stock. We have a clear stone, it's a moissanite. So we're going to be creating kind of a freeform look to the top of it. We're going to be setting the stone into it and then creating a tapered shank for it.
Let's get started.